Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take pre-workout coffee. To maximize your workout, timing is key. Aim to consume your coffee about 30 to 60 minutes before you start exercising. This window allows the caffeine to fully absorb into your system, ensuring you feel its stimulating effects right when you need them most. Pay attention to how your body responds to find your perfect timing. When it comes to dosage, a good starting point is typically 3 to 6 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight. For the best results, opt for black coffee or espresso. These options provide the caffeine without added sugars or fats that could hinder your performance or cause a sugar crash. Always listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Remember, staying well hydrated is crucial, especially when you're consuming caffeine. Coffee can offer several benefits for your workout, including improved focus and reduced perceived exertion, making your efforts feel easier. It can also boost your endurance and potentially aid in fat oxidation. Combine your coffee with plenty of water for optimal performance and well-being. While coffee offers many advantages, be aware of potential downsides such as jitters, anxiety, or disrupted sleep, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. It's best to avoid drinking coffee too close to bedtime to ensure a good night's rest. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.